Hello everybody and welcome back to Dubious Engineering. Just wanted to share with you a little bit of an update on my solar powered shed and where we are. So as you can see, there is the Tesla power pack and there are all the lovely lithium ion cells inside the Tesla power pack. And what we've done is we've put in a power distribution board now. So this is the board, this is the charge board, which limits the voltage to the battery pack. So when it reaches a specific voltage, which is determined by the little potentiometer there, you can make sure that you don't overcharge the power pack. And then there's the power distribution for the shed. So what we've got here then is a little USB port, just in case you need to plug your phone in and charge it up, or charge anything USB related. We've got a main switch for some of the LED lighting that we've installed above the camera slide there, and we also have a boxed Bluetooth speaker system with crossover, so we've got a tweeter and a woofer in that, and we've also got that was originally an emergency light, and we've modified that, put some LEDs in it, and that over there is a 12-volt camping light. And then we've got the power adapter for the TS100 soldering iron station. So desk is a bit of a mess at the moment. Been tearing up some lithium ion cells in preparation for our next project. But before that, I wanted to share with you some stuff that we found in Aldi when the wife and I went to Aldi the other day. We found this. It's a hobby vise, and it's die-cast aluminium hobby vise. It clamps to the desk, and it's got about a 2-inch jaw. It cost a whole £2.99, and to be honest, I thought that was pretty good value, really. So, and I needed something like this for small projects. So there's the hobby vise, and what I'll do is I'll just clamp it to the desk so you can see it. And next to it is number 21, and number 21 was a very kind donation from a goodly neighbour of mine who may be watching. So awesome, thank you very much for that. That took a little bit of refurbishment, but it was good fun doing it. A little bit of oil and a wire brush fixed that up. Anyway, here is a set of helping hands, which to be honest, I really could have done with in the last project when I was soldering all of those LEDs. These helping hands come with a 60mm ×4 magnifying glass, and yeah, they really are quite useful. I've had a few pairs of these, sets of these in the past, and they're just useful for putting things together, really. So what I wanted to do was spend money. Did I want to do that? Not really, but I couldn't help myself. Yeah, it was Aldi, and it was cheap as chips. And to be honest, I think if you were to buy these on eBay, they would probably be £1.99 plus £1 shipping, so £2.99 from Aldi. Why not? It looks like a little man dancing around. Yeah, okay. It was waving at you there, I think. Anyway, so that ×4 magnifying glass, very, very useful indeed. They're not the easiest things to manipulate. They have these little butterfly nuts on them, which are a little bit of a pain in the butt to sort of fiddle around with and get set up, as you can see. There are things out there that are far better, but these are very common and they're very, very cheap. And there's the ×4 magnification. As you can see, my middle finger, sorry, it's not my middle finger. If it had been my middle finger, that would have been funny. I should have done that. Didn't think of that. Anyway, so those are the helping hands. And super, double, triple, quadruple bonus, I also, whilst I was at Aldi, found a solar panel. Yeah, big, fat, hairy solar panel. So another solar panel to go on the roof of the shed here. Apparently it maintains most 12-volt battery types. So it's a trickle charger panel to keep your battery topped up, and with it is you know, a standard cigarette type adapter. Let's have a quick look at the voltage output on this bad boy, see how it performs. But it's rated at 138 milliamps at 20 volts. It's a bit overcast outside at the moment, so it probably isn't going to give us a really great numbers. And I'm sitting there with the two crocodile clips shorting together, but never mind. Alright, so 20 volts apparently. well, 19 and a bit offload, obviously. So yeah, not bad, not bad. And then the current was 20 milliamps, something like that, in cloudy conditions. Anyway, you didn't get to see that bit. Sorry about that. Bit of poor video editing, but whatever. Then here is a project, the next, or one of the next projects. I've been collecting some bits and pieces. I've got a lovely high-def 5-inch display, which is super thin. I have a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I've also found a 7-inch Bluetooth keyboard with trackpad, which is also super thin. The plan ultimately is to put together some kind of little laptop, something small that's going to last, you know, 5 or 6 hours on a set of lithium-ion cells. The only disadvantage with this display is a lot of the electronics is on a separate card there, so I'm going to have to find room in this box, or I'm going to have to depopulate these cards and make them smaller so that everything fits together. But yeah, that's a future project. Just wanted to share that one with you, and it should be pretty good. I'm looking forward to making it anyway. But it will be a nice little wooden style Raspberry Pi type internet laptop, and it will be powered by lithium-ion cells that I've robbed. Anyway, bye for now. Take care. Have fun. Bye.